Outside of Tamale, Ghana, Miss Al Hassan begins another day of work at the Tiumba Shea Cooperative. She starts by collecting wood for the roasting fire and grinding shea nuts. On roasting day, along with more than 30 other women at the cooperative, she'll sit over a smoky, burning fire until all her shea nuts for the week have been roasted. By the end of the week, her back and lungs have paid for the profits she makes from selling shea butter. The shea nut is an unbelievably important product for households and individuals across West Africa. Throughout the Shea Belt, the area in West Africa known for producing shea trees, hundreds of thousands of women spend their time and energy engaged in some aspect of the shea butter industry. Unfortunately, traditional methods of processing shea nuts into value-added products leads to serious negative impacts on the environment of northern Ghana and other regions in West Africa. The process is resource-intensive, threatening local forests, and releases emissions that can harm the environment. Processing shea is also detrimental to women's health. When roasting shea nuts, women are exposed to the heat and smoke from the fire as they must continuously rotate a drum or stir the nuts. To improve the sustainability of the shea butter industry in rural areas and to protect the health of women, Burn Design Lab is improving the shea roasting process by designing a more efficient shea roaster. With the improved design, the prototype was able to achieve an average efficiency of 36% and was able to roast an equivalent of 48 kilograms of shea nuts per hour. When compared to the existing methods of roasting shea, the efficiency was increased by a factor of 2.4, and the output per hour was increased by a factor of 1.5. After starting the fire with a little bit of wood, Burn Design Lab's improved shea roaster was also able to complete full roasts while just burning shea cake, the biomass byproduct of the shea butter process. Burning shea cake as fuel moves the shea butter industry closer to a more sustainable future. The women at the cooperative gave invaluable feedback on the roaster and its improved features. They were impressed by the lack of smoke and heat exposure, the reduction in the amount of wood being used, and the addition of the thermometer to know when the roast was done. Compared to existing traditional roasters, reducing the size of the firebox and insulating using ceramic bricks not only allows for the use of less wood, but also the efficient combustion of shea cake. This means less deforestation, fewer emissions, and little to no smoke involved for the women. The decreased drum size allows for better heat transfer and a more even roast, while also causing less strain on the women. Even though the drum size is reduced, the output per hour was increased, giving the women more time to spend with their families or to make income through other activities. The dual wall lid provides better insulation and allows for more efficient heat transfer to the shea nuts. With the addition of the dual chimney stacks, the lid helps reduce the amount of wood being burnt, draws any leftover smoke away from the women, and reduces the time it takes to roast the nuts. Although we've made a lot of progress in our latest iteration, we are improving this design over the next couple of months and would love to share our progress with you. Stay up to date and help support our mission to implement this clean cooking technology into Ghana by visiting us at burndesignlab.org or reach out to our project manager, linked below. Thank you.